If you want to learn some tips and tricks on how to make your decor look very elegant and unique, this is the video for you. In this video, I will be showing you guys step by step on how to layer your decor, how to make your decor look very, very unique, elegant and chic. It doesn't matter your style, if you are farm style, if you are glam, if you are modern, contemporary, it doesn't matter the style. Guys, this video is going to spill that tea. It's going to give you that insight on how to decorate your space and make it look unique, like make it look like what you've been seeing in magazines. If you would like to see what we have in store, please stay tuned and keep on watching. And welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dede, the mom, the boss. Lipstick on my teeth. Back to the video. So today my lip gloss is Dede's Signature Glow Up Lip Gloss. Can you see how it's giving me a glow? If you want to get this kind of a glow, just purchase this lip gloss on Dede's Signature website. I'm going to leave it down in the description box below. So let's get going. And if you're curious about my earrings are from House of Clarivonne, and this earrings are so beautiful. I'm just going to link them down below. I'll put a picture down below. I love it. It's so comfortable. It's not heavy. You can tell I hardly put on earrings. I put on earrings sometimes just to film, but this one I feel like I'm so comfortable going for any elegant and classy occasion or party, and you can wear it with your African wear like me, and you can wear it with a very, very classy and elegant outfit. So guys, make sure you check that website out. So guys, for today's video we're going to be working with my entryway. My entryway is kind of not the usual entryway that you would normally see. This one is kind of bent and curved and whatever you want to call it, but I try to make it work, and I'm going to be giving you guys the tips and tricks that I use to make it work. Now, you want to use a masterpiece, an accent piece. It could be a wall art, it could be like a console or accent table. In my case, I'm using mainly this mirror because it screams luxury, class, and elegance. Then you want to complement it with an accent chair. An accent chair for me is to tell people to take off their shoes when they walk in before they get in the house. And I use nesting tables just to create the depth, the heights and depths, like the different heights you want. Flowers are a plus or a must depending on your taste. I love flowers, I love florals, and a greenery to just make that space look natural and bring in that natural feeling. Now, decor books are optional, but I love using decor books. In my case, this is a storage book, which is way cheaper than the real Tom Ford book. You want to use some little pieces here and there just to complement the look. Always decorate in sets of 3 because they give it a complete look. Like you can see on this space right now, it looked almost incomplete until I added the beautiful white and gold candle. It is no news that my colors are black, white, and gold. Using a blanket or an accent blanket or throw blanket is very cozy. It brings that cozy feeling to your space, and just throwing in that accent pillow just brings in a more welcoming feeling to your entryway. Then I'm going in with this side table again and a white vase and greenery. I love greenery. If you've been watching me for a while now, you know greenery brings in that touch, brings in that natural feeling to your space. And yes, for that space, that is all I have. but then by the door I just want something that if you just walk into the house without looking left and right, you're just gonna see something on the side that like wows you. I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you to each and every one of you who have watched my video up to this point. Thank you so much for your constant support. I truly appreciate you guys, and I hope you liked this video, and I hope you learned a thing or two. I'll see you guys in our next video. Love you guys. Bye.